update where Eknath Shinde, along with at least 6 of the rebel MPs from the Shiv Sena, met Home Minister Amit Shah and the party president Nitin Nabin. BL Santosh was also said to be a part of this meeting. Now that the upcoming parliament session is closed, that we are now looking barely a week to go before the parliament monsoon session begins, this seems to be, when it comes to the rebellion that had undertaken, and of course the pictures that have now come in of the rebel MPs also meeting the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, and that reportedly happened in the month of June itself. So this seems to be the very important update that is now coming ahead of the monsoon session of the parliament there. And Eknath Shinde, the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, along with the 6 rebel MPs from the UBD camp who broke ranks with from the party, meeting the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, BJP party president Nitin Nabin, and also BL Santosh is said to be part of this meeting that happened. Let's connect with Paras on this. So Paras, what has now been expected from this meeting? Eknath Shinde, rebel MPs meeting Amit Shah.
So this was a very important part of this entire meeting where Eknath Shinde, along with 6 rebel MPs from Shiv Sena, met Home Minister Amit Shah and Nitin Nabin. BL Santosh was also part of this meeting, and there are many speculation about the meeting, but still there is no official confirmation why this rebel MP with Eknath Shinde met Home Minister Amit Shah. But as we all know, this 6 rebel MPs have recently joined Shiv Sena, Eknath Shinde camp. They came out from Shiv Sena, Uddhav Thackeray camp, and now they have joined with Eknath Shinde camp, and now they met Amit Shah, and this may be a very important meeting between them, but there is no official confirmation what was the topic of this meeting, but the speculation are still on why this meeting was taken and why all these 6 rebel MPs met Eknath Shinde.
All right. Please do stay on with us, Paras, because there are more related breaking updates that is now also coming in. Of course, when it comes to the faction, the rebel faction of the Shiv Sena camp, of the UBD faction that have now broken ranks from the party. And these rebel leaders, if they are meeting, when it comes to the Home Minister of the country, of course, this has now been reported as a big development there. And if this is going to be another stage of the Shiv Sena expansion, let's in the meantime also talk about what sources are saying. So Jayant Patil, who is said to be close aide of Sharad Pawar, meeting Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, and simultaneously Sunil Tatkare from the NCP, Ajit Pawar party, also met the Chief Minister. And these meetings are also raising the basis of a strong possibility of a merger of both of the NCPs. So a united NCP is expected to give support to the NDA with 8 MPs from the NCP. Sharad Pawar faction also proving to be an important part for the BJP at the center. Now this is going to be groundbreaking, Paras. If you give us an understanding, if both of the NCPs then join hands together, what happens with the Mahavikas Aghadi and how much strength that it will provide to the NDA?
As per sources, Jayant Patil, close aide of Sharad Pawar, met CM Devendra Fadnavis last night. Similarly, Sunil Tatkare from NCP Ajit Pawar party also met CM Fadnavis. This meeting basis for a strong possible of merger of both NCP. United NCP is expected to give its support to NDA with 8 MPs from NCP SP, proving to be important for the BJP at center. Of action in NCP SP also wants a merger with the Congress party. So this will be a very important stage where continuously the senior leader from NCP, Sharad Pawar camp, is continuously meeting CM. So it will be very important to see how things will work from them, what exactly are cooking between these 2 parties, Bharatiya Janata Party and the NCP, Sharad Pawar party. So it will be very important to see what will happen in this.
Right, but this seems to be the buzz that now seems to be taking place. But who exactly and what has been, when it comes to the point of view as far as Sharad Pawar himself being a veteran leader here is concerned, and what happens to the MVA?
So NDA will be in deep trouble if NCP Sharad Pawar joins hand with NDA. Then NDA Mahavikas Aghadi have to face very important. They will face trouble now in this entire situation where they are right now, because we had seen how people are going to other parties from MVA. We had seen the MVA alliance partner Shiv Sena's 6 MPs went to Shiv Sena Shinde camp. We had also seen a few days ago that Sharad Pawar met with Eknath Shinde, the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. And if this merger will happen, then MVA have to face a lot of trouble, because now MVA don't have that much strength that they had in the...
What are we looking as far as the numbers are concerned, Paras? If you can give us an understanding, if both of the NCP factions come together, how much strength and weight that it will add to the NDA? All right, losing that line. When we speak of all of these developments that have been taking place, of course, the rebel UBT faction leaders meeting Amit Shah, and then there's another important breaking update, which reports suggest when it comes to the reports of unification of both factions of the NCP, one led by Sharad Pawar and one led by the late Ajit Pawar, and now his wife playing the role of the Deputy Chief Minister. In the meantime,